Approximately 7 miles out of the town of Cabrera lies Caño Azul. Caño Azul is a sleepy little town, very friendly, very safe, and it hosts a couple of the nicest, most pristine gated communities that we have to offer. While you're enjoying the drone, let me briefly explain. There are a series of villas, approximately 20 in total, in a private gated community. Beautiful cliffront locations on all the front row models. There are 2-bedroom and 3-bedrooms available. What you're looking at now is one of the most beautiful 2-bedroom models that we have to offer. We have 2 that are exactly the same. In fact, they're right next to each other. Both are located on the front row, if you remember looking at the aerial view. Both of them are unblockable cliff-front ocean views, actually very panoramic views at that. Both patios are finished in Coralina, swimming pools. All facilities have the features of excellent electricity. They're all fully air-conditioned. They do come furnished, and they're tastefully furnished at that. Both of these units are in pristine move-in condition, literally spotless. The water supply is furnished by an artesian well, so there's never any problems with shortages of water. There's 24-hour security for a very reasonable monthly strata fee, or maintenance fee, if that's the term you're used to. Includes 24-hour security, trash pickup, complete yard, shrubbery, and surrounding common area maintenance. Literally, carefree living is at your fingertips. For those who are looking for a simple lifestyle to sit back, relax, and enjoy without all the worries of maintenance, gardening, anything of that nature, you owe it to yourself to have a look at these 2 units. I don't anticipate them being available for very long. The pricing is excellent. As I mentioned before, they come completely furnished and very tastefully at that. Plenty of hot water, excellent electricity, and just minutes away from the town of Cabrera. It honestly doesn't get much easier or better for those looking for reducing the stress, living a simple lifestyle, and just enjoying it all. I'd be glad to show them to you. My name is Barry, and let's talk soon.